Hello, hello, OFP family. It is Wednesday, January 1st, 2025. Happy New Year. We are here for our midweek analysis, even though I think the markets are closed today. I don't know.
Yeah, the
Nick.
markets are closed except for crypto.
So, hey, Nick, how you doing?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm doing fantastic. We did go live in a minute early so that some of you guys can get on here early before we got started with the analysis. So how's everybody enjoying their day off from trading? How's everyone enjoying their New Year's Day? Please let us know in the comments. Let us know in the comments. We're going to take a look at our watch list here and see how things are projected to look for the remainder of this week. But before we do that, I just kind of want to see who is with us. Be sure to say hello if you're on YouTube or if you're on Instagram. Let us know who's with us today. All right, Nick, are you ready to dive in?
Yeah, sure I am.
At work, thinking about trading. You know, that is me and Nick every day, right, buddy?
Yep.
We think about trading every day. That is our life and our passion. So it is an honor to be here with you guys. Let's go ahead. Let's dive into this analysis. If you have anything you guys want us to look at, be sure to write that down or just keep it in your mind. And then when we're finished with the analysis, we can kind of look at some additional pairs for you. Other than that, it is all you.
All right. Thank you, Ria. Right, let's get right into it then. Let's start first with the dollar index. Though we covered it on Sunday, I don't think there has been much movement, but let's just have a look. All right, so dollar index actually made a new high, which is great. So that means this trend line is now over here. So once we get a break of this trend line, there we could be looking to come all the way down here. So same level, this is where we see ourselves coming all the way down to around 1.06500. So once we do break this trend line, this is where we'll be looking to come down to. Right, now let's move to our usual pairs. So let me just switch. Right, so let's start first with dollar Mexican. So dollar Mexican apparently went all the way up. It is actually taken us out of our position. This is actually supposed to be closed. Yeah, so it pushed all the way strongly up. So at this point in time, we'll be now looking for a different opportunity. But as of now, we can't do anything whatsoever on dollar Mexican until we have some obvious reasons to go short again. Let's look at dollar yen. So dollar yen made a new high, broke the trend line, and just pushed down strongly, like it trickled down in shorting opportunity, and we have come all the way back up here. So this is actually a great time to probably sell dollar yen, and target levels could be trying to look at this. So yeah, we might actually come to this area actually where there was a bit of consolidation. That's where I think the market can come down to. So come when the market opens, so I believe I'll just put like a sell stop over here. Now target will just be right here. That's where I think the market may come down to this coming weeks and the beginning of 2025. Yeah, I just realized that we are now in 2025. Welcome everybody to a new year, new everything, new quarter. Everything's gonna change, of course. And yeah, As for euro dollar, we are still holding, haven't yet broken the previous low, but yeah, we're still holding and we're yet to see. Probably this coming week we might actually make some new highs over here, but let's see what happens for the rest of the week. CAD Swiss, CAD Swiss. Yeah, finally we have gone above this resistance level on CAD Swiss. So I believe what we can do now is actually enter into a position on CAD Swiss. So there we go. And target definitely all the way up here, this previous high, since that's what the pin bar is. So come tomorrow, this most definitely will be filled. This is why I like the trader. You can put pending orders before even the market opens. So it can trigger immediately at this level, or you can push slightly higher, just depending on how the market opens. Let's also look at pound yen. So pound yen, we have broken the trend line, but we haven't really broken this support level, which is all the way down here. So yeah, that's what we're looking for. So for now, we will just continue looking at it. And gold, just have a look at gold. Gold is still holding, nothing major. I believe we might actually come all the way up here, probably make a new high, but we are yet to see what happens next. Let's go over to look at Euro New Zealand. Let's see what 2025 holds for it. So Euro New Zealand, it's getting there. It's getting it. It's actually reached the neckline of this pin bar like we discussed. So we are yet to see what happens. Sunday was here, it pushed all the way down, now it's back all the way up. So our target is still underway on Euro New Zealand. Let's look at New Zealand CAD. New Zealand CAD, we are still in a free fall going to the downside. Nothing much to do here, apart from just watching it. I actually think I'm removing it out of the watch lists whatsoever until maybe someone asks about it. And then US dollar, pound dollar. Yes, like we already discussed with dollar index, we might actually see this recover. So we're still holding, we're still holding. Our stop loss hasn't been hit, so we're still holding pound dollar, euro dollar, you name it. Yeah, we're still holding those. And then Brent oil. Brent oil. Brent oil is pushing back up. It could be actually changing trend for the year of 2025, but we're yet to see. We're yet to see. If we probably go above um these two resistance levels, then maybe we can call it quits on Brent oil. Right. So let's look at Ethereum as well. Ethereum, we are still consolidated for quite a while now, so nothing to do at this point. Let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been doing a lot of ups and downs, but let's see as well. So this one just like is continuing to push down to the downside. I still believe there is still some more downside because this actually looks like a head and shoulders. And yeah, this thing had to be like the right shoulder. It continued pushing all the way down. But yeah, we're yet to see what happens. What we can actually do is open a position on it. Yeah, that is actually open position on it. Targets which we can actually aim for, which are closer, are over here around 87,000. So yeah, let's see how that goes. Let's just see how that goes, and we will, yeah, we'll see where the week ends actually. And then let's also look at NAS 100. NAS 100 is still pushing nicely all the way down. We pushed all the way up. The strong bearish movement is continuing. So I do believe this is going to be the pullback for 2025. We might actually come all the way down here and actually fill up this pin bar. So that's what I'm anticipating with NAS 100. Let's look at US 30, which is our last one. US 30, same scenario. So our target is coming out well. So yeah, I do believe probably by next week we might be seeing ourselves somewhere here or even hitting the target. So this is one thing we can keep an eye watch on. Yeah, so that's all for other pairs. I believe we've covered all of them. Unless there's questions or other pairs you'd like us to look at or their promotions, what do you say, Via? You can come out from hiding.
Hello, hello, hello.
Yes, I am here. I can hear you loud and clear.
All right, so we do still have our winter prices and holiday gifts promotions going on at this time. The 5th of January is the last day. So until January 5th, midnight CET. Remember, our winter prices are up to 60% off. And then with the holiday gifts, with a minimum spend of $350, you can get an additional 10% off. And with a minimum spend of $600, you can get an additional 15% off. So definitely take advantage of these prices before the promotion ends. Also, if you haven't had a chance, we are running a poll right now. We want to know what you guys think about our winter prices and if you think we should keep these winter prices indefinitely. If so, what account size should we keep at the winter prices? Or should we keep all of them at the winter prices? We want to know. So you can vote inside of our stories, in our Telegram, or even in our Discord community. So definitely go and make your voice heard. Vote. And that's what I have on my end.
All right, thank you, Ria.
Yes, sir.
So I don't know if anybody else has a question or they want more discounts. I am not sure.
I don't know. I think these discounts are the best that we can get. I don't know.
Yeah, this is over. We're in a new year. Yeah, so I don't think they need any more apart from now. Yeah, so they can take advantage of it. But yeah, let's see what people say. The poll is still
Definitely.
available. Yeah.
All right. Are there any other pairs or questions that you guys have for us before we let you go today? Let us know. Oh, Abdul says keep 100K and 200K. Make sure you vote on Instagram if you're on Instagram. Otherwise, you can vote in Discord if you're on our Discord. I'll count that as a vote though. All right, let's see if we got any comments on the Instagram side. All right, friends. Got it. Beautiful. Sounds good. Sounds good. 200K, definitely. Ooh, you guys are going to be achieving all of your financial goals in 2025 with these instant funded accounts. Oh, Abdul is asking, what about Bitcoin?
We actually covered that.
We did? Oh, see,
Yeah.
it's okay. Your guess is as good as mine, Abdul. But if you watch the replay, you'll be able to catch that analysis. All right, everyone. Well, if you guys don't have any questions for us, we will go ahead and we'll let you go to enjoy the remainder of your evening, your day, wherever you are. Huh?
And the new year.
And the new year. Yeah, today's been
Yeah.
a very relaxed day, I think, for most. So, all right. So you guys enjoy the remainder of your day. Happy New Year to all of you. And we will be back on Sunday. We'll be back on Sunday.
Yeah, indeed.
All right. So we'll see you guys soon.